Hey guys, Aldin here. So this week we were able to successfully migrate the initial store setup to our own server, replacing Shopify on store.greencitizen.com. So what you're seeing here is now running on the WordPress-WooCommerce platform. So we will be ditching Shopify real soon. So most of the work done here is on the technical side, just copying the design of the previous store setup as you can see here. So it's very much the same to the old one, and I have migrated most of our own products and have set up all the necessary attributes to make use of the advanced filtering system that we have in place in the new platform. So I'll just show you an example of how the filtering works. So here is the computers category on the shop. So the user has options to show just 9 products, or 12, or 18, or 24. So yeah, it's for example, just to show you the power of this filtering system. So they can also view it in 4 columns, 3, 2, and on list format like this. So when there are multiple products here, they can easily filter according to brand, screen size, OS, and yeah, in our case we have stock status as well. So if they filter out 10 to 16 inches, so they will be provided with those options. So they can also look easily clear the filters here if they wish to. So yeah, so I think it's very powerful and helpful for our users to easily find the product that they are looking for, especially on our refurbished computers with so much variety in terms of specifications. So along with the migration and setup process, I came up with a product upload flow, and I have created a video tutorial for the team to refer to when adding products to the store. So for this, I created a single user account for them to use with the email store@greencitizen.com. So I have sent the tutorial to the team via email with the login credentials, so they can already start uploading new products. Also, I have prepared the static landing pages of the top brands of our refurbished computers, which the user can also easily see and access on each product page. For example, Dell, so the brand is over here, so they can click on it and they'll be directed to /brand/Dell. So all Dell products will be shown, and this is a static landing page that the SEO team can use for additional content and search optimization. So this goes the same for other brands like Apple, Acer, and other top brands we have. But with the help of Eric, the store has been integrated successfully with Shipstation as well. So that will help us with the fulfillment of orders. And with the help of James, we have integrated the Stripe payment system for the store. We are also working on improving the security on this aspect. Other things, I have added several affiliate products from Amazon and Blueland. So right now on the store we have 50 plus products to start with, so it wouldn't look empty when we relaunch the site. Also, I have created the necessary redirects from the previous shop that is indexed by Google. So for example, the previous shop has collection/all. This is redirected immediately to our shop. So the Google will still index the new page instead of penalizing us for availability of the page. So some technical aspects, I have configured Google Search Console and Analytics on the store as well, reusing the previous setup we have on the Shopify store. And then overall, I already started working on the on-page and technical SEO of the store. I'll continue working on it this week. Also, we are now looking at a plugin to help us automate the importation of affiliate products to the store and sync the prices so we don't have to do that manually. So we just need a minor detail for the store, which I'll be coordinating with Eric. We just need the email configuration so we can put the store live already. And then on the community site, I have created an initial list of FAQ items for Samira and the SEO team to work on related to our job board. So we have also added some content for our static job pages per state. So we're still working with the SEO team to come up with the rest of the content for each state according to population. I think we need 40 more. We have 10 here that has content already. So yeah, that's it from my end. Thank you.